gentlemen, Jay Haft here. I had to start you out with the sponsors for this amazing plant. And what's amazing is the U.S. and the world's speed records on it. Yeah, there they are, speed records. USA and world speed records. Reno Bowl, that's they have an air show in Reno. 536.7 miles per hour. USA only. I don't know what year this was, but it's definitely a historic place. It's called American Spirit. Rick Van Dam, Mike Steiger, and then Mark Johnson. There it is, the American Spirit, folks. Okay, we're going to come down here by some of these jets. It's interesting how it has this paint job on here. It says Chris Patton. Baranat. That's just, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Why did they paint these like this, you know? Anybody?
What's that?
Why are these painted this color?
I think they're for fun.
Because they can, right?
Yes, they can.
That's because they can, folks. Yeah, Jared the Rock Isaac, man. You can buy it, folks, but you need a license to fly it. There they are, the bent wing ones. Those are for carriers. That one says experimental. It's got the wide stance of those wheels. There's an old military Volkswagen. At least it has the stars.